So with this project, I'm going to take this piece of Arizona ash. It's about 11 inches long by probably 10 inches wide, and I'm going to put it on the lathe and turn it. I'm going to turn a natural edge bolt out of this. This piece of ash, the tree itself came down 2 years ago on a house in a storm, and I was called and asked to come haul as much of it away as I could. So this is a result. It's been drying, its edges have been painted, and let's get it to the lathe and see what happens. Before I put it on the lathe, I want to take it to the bandsaw and knock the corners of it off, just so that it helps with the possibility of keeping the bark on. I just really don't want to rip any of the bark off if I can help it. It looks like it's going to hold real well, so I'm going to just roughly round it up on the bandsaw and knock the corners off, and after that we can get it on the lathe and get to turning. Here you can see I've got it somewhat round or round-ish, so now we can take it on over to the lathe, mount it up, and get her going.
Yes, I don't know how we're going to make it. Just want to check with those. Or applications. Because it's sucking down in there pretty good. I don't have any detail.
And while we're on the subject of Starbond, click my Starbond link down in the description below and save 20% on your order. My Amazon affiliate link in the description below helps us out a ton. You click on that link, anything you buy there doesn't cost you a nickel more or even a penny more, but it gives us a few pennies and it really helps us out. Okay, we'll try this again. I don't know how much got recorded. I don't know how much got lost. My desktop computer took a dump on me. So this is where we are so far.
Where's the face? Large, I can do some of it. Not for hours. As usual, I by hand. Just because I don't want to waste any equipment on big jobs. Besides, it's done this. I'm going to apply some axe polish and story paste just to get a little more sheen because I want to have some. Again, I'll apply this by hand. I'll do this inside and out. This polish and story paste is food safe. I'll do a bit of just to get some broken there.
So here it is, all done. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you sticking with me and watching. This came out. It's just absolutely beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. Even with that little knot that I had to fill. Yeah, I wish the cracks weren't in it. I wish I hadn't had to fill them. It's got just enough sheen. The curl up in here and up in here and here and in this lip and even on this side and this side. The figure in this is just astounding. Absolutely gorgeous little piece of ash. I love this piece. One of my favorite pieces to date, actually. Again, check out my sponsors if you'd be so kind. Most of all, Carneal Media, Steve Nealon, who manages my website for me, and I couldn't do this without his support. I've rattled long enough because I can't shut up, okay?